Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I'm just jumping on today with a quick and easy treat package using the watercolor melon stamp set that you can earn free during celebration. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with our project. So this is just a quick and easy tag. We're using the watercolor melon, and you can earn this stamp set when you spend $50 during celebration. This stamp has surprised me because I'm using this on my Workshop Wednesday project. I used it on my Sweet Stampin' Friends tutorial project, and I'm going to use it today. I've actually used this quite a bit, and I didn't think I was going to. And we're also going to use the ice cream swirl. This is another new stamp set that's in the mini. And we're going to use this stamp here, Yum Yum. But this is an adorable one that I'm going to be working on some projects as well. It has the dies and all the stamps. And we are going to be using the Taylor Tags dies. And we're going to be using the largest one from here. So I found this taffy at Dollar Tree, and it just happened to be watermelon taffy. Like I tell you guys, I usually, when I see a stamp set, I go to the stores and I look for things that I can make projects with. I like to do 3D. I'm not sure. Do you guys like me to do 3D, or do you like me to do cards instead? So we will tie this up. Now this is a 3x6 cello bag. You can get them at Michael's, probably Hobby Lobby. This is the Real Red ribbon from the Real Red and Burlap. And I'm not gonna completely tie this yet, or should I? Let me just tie it. I don't like to tie it in. So we're going to set this aside because I'm going to put my tag through there. So let's go ahead and die cut our two tags that we need, because unfortunately this stamp set does not have any dies to go with it. It's a celebration set again. I'm talking about the watercolor melon. I keep wanting to call it watermelon melon. So we're going to cut out a Real Red, and this piece of cardstock is 4x2. Each of these pieces are 4x2. So you're going to need 4x2 in shaded spruce and Real Red. And then the others, the watermelons, we're going to have to fussy cut those because, like I said, it does not have dies to go with it. Let's move this out of the way. My paper is... So we're going to stamp. We'll set those aside. And we're going to stamp our rind in shaded spruce. So I'm using the circular or rounded one, I guess. There's this one, and then there's also the the slice like this. I'm using these two. Okay, so now we'll stamp our inside in Real Red, and we want to stamp these just slightly over the green, the rind. Try not to stick my head into the camera. So I hope I got it. Yeah, those look pretty good. And then we are going to stamp some seeds. And I'm just going to stamp 3. There is another single seed right here where you can add some more if you want, but I'm just going to do the 3. And this line, it is actually in the stamp, so don't think you have a defective stamp. See, it's in there. So we're gonna go ahead and fussy cut those two. And I think I'm gonna cut this way because we need a 1 by 1 inch square for our yum yum. So I already have one cut out just to show you, but we're gonna fussy cut. You guys know I don't mind fussy cutting unless I'm making a whole bunch of these. If I was making, I don't know, 20, 25, 30, I would probably choose not to fussy cut. I would just stamp it on a tag maybe. But since I'm only making one to show you, I've already made it. I'm probably gonna make a few of these for little gifts for my classes. People who attend my classes, when they attend my classes, I always like to send them home with some little goodie treat, something that I've made. So they always get a little surprise when they're leaving. Cut that off. And you know, just move your paper, not so much your scissors. And then, oops, I did that just a wee bit big. But anyway, we only need two. So there's our two. I did one previously. Now let me see this real quick to see if this is gonna be like 1 by 1. Let's go 1. I know it's such a tiny piece, but we just want that yum yum to fit on there. And then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. There's our 1 by 1 little square. Okay. So we are going to glue, we're just gonna glue the green, the shaded spruce, I should say, onto the real red, like so. We just want some real red to peek out of there. And then we're gonna add our watermelons with dimensionals. And we'll just put a couple of dimensionals on each. Oops. And I'm gonna put the first one kind of up here like so. So then the other one's towards the bottom, but they will overlap. Isn't this so cute how it's got the little bite out of it? I think that's so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna stamp our yum yum. And so just remember that this comes from the ice cream swirl set. I put this on my block Cricut. So I gotta do my block Cricut. Okay. And then so now this piece, what we're gonna do is just cut right down the middle from the two yum yums. And I think we will use mini dimensionals. 1, 2, I ran out, so of course we always use these little edges. Those were my last two. I didn't realize it. And like so. So then we're just gonna put yum yum. My nails do not want to peel these off for some reason. All right, so we're gonna put one over here and we'll put the other below it. And then we are gonna add a little bit of bling. Well, I call it bling, but and then there. So we are going to add some of these iridescent adhesive back discs, And we're going to use the white, and these are carrying over. So these are in the mini catalog, the current, well, there's 2 current mini catalogs, but I can't think, well, the holiday catalog, I guess you would call it. So we're just going to add 3 of these guys there just to add some bling. Probably could have used the granny apple green too. The reason I went with the shaded spruce is because I was trying to copy the bottom here. And you could see their watermelon slices have a lot more seeds. So like I said, you could add more. So let's go back to our bag. And we are going to use some white baker's twine. We'll stick this through here. And then where's my set of tweezers? We'll stick this under like so. So now we can go ahead and tie this in a bow. Let me get this. Tighten our bow. And now we'll just tie a bow with the white. I'm going to trim that. Where's my ribbon scissors? Ribbon. Okay, so now we can tie this in a bow and we'll have our tag. Now, how cute is that? And how quick and easy it was. I will have a project sheet for you guys with the dimensions and the products I use. I appreciate your orders. You know, I share my projects with you to help you guys create. I'm messing this bow up. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. It's hard to see without sticking my head in the camera. So anyway, there we go. So there's our little watermelon taffy tag. Isn't that so cute? Super easy, super quick. And we have 2 little projects. And like I said, I'll probably give these away at my next in-person class. Thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. You guys take care. Bye.